What's up guys, it's Aiden, and today we're going to go through how Lil Uzi Vert made Silly Watch on FL Studio. As always, for my fellow FL Studio users, I will leave the FLP in the description if you want a further in-depth look. So the first thing we're doing is going into Omnisphere and grabbing the LA Custom C7 Grand Piano, which is a great piano preset. If you don't have Keyscape, which is an Omnisphere expansion, you can go to Nexus, and I like to use the PN Nexus Grand Piano Soft, which is a preset inside of piano. Just turn off the reverb. That sounds pretty good as well. This is the pattern that the piano follows without any filters. We're putting that on my mixer, and we're using Parametric EQ2 to cut out some of the lows and the highs. Then Sound Goodizer to make it a bit more colorful. Then finally Fruity Reverb to give the sound more room. So that's just a bit of light filtering on the piano, nothing too major. So we're adding that in first for 8 bars until it goes down an octave. Then we're just adding that in as well. Then we have some percussion that's playing throughout the entire song. Here we're using a few different hi-hats, an open hi-hat, the Luger snare, and the Luger slap clap. Now let's add in the 808. Very simple 808, it's just playing the root note, which is C, the whole time. So I'm using 2 different 808s to play the sound. This one's covering the highs. And this is playing with the original 808 Mafia 808, which is playing the lows. So now it's sounding like this. At the end of every 4 bars, we have this bongo coming in. So it's sounding like this in the track. And finally, we're using this horn bell sound that I created on Omnisphere. And to give the preset a wider sound, I've duplicated the channel and I'm bringing the panning down to the right on one of them and to the left on the other one. Again, we're very lightly filtering this preset using Parametric EQ2 to bring down the lows and the highs, then Fruity Chorus to give it a spacey feel, then Fruity Limiter and bringing up the gain. That's it for the tutorial. Again, I'm going to leave the FLP in the description below for any FL Studio users. Anyway, I'll play you a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to remake in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.